guys, welcome back to our channel. You know around here how much we love our side hustles, and we are always looking for the newest and easiest ones to share with you guys.
When we found a new one called Taskverse, we're going to try it out today. All you need is a computer. You can be anywhere in the world. Taskverse has different tasks that you can do. Today we're going to be focusing on this one, which is training AI with your voice. So in this specific side hustle, you're basically just talking to a computer, and it's using your voice to train chatbots, virtual assistants, and AI, because a lot of that is voice powered. So you can be anywhere in the world. Taskverse asks you to fill out a survey first, just figuring out, we have kind of a northern Midwestern accent. So, of course you do, yeah. So depending on where you live, it wants to know all that information so that it can train the AI with that particular voice.
And once you complete your task, Taskverse will pay you through PayPal, so it's super easy no matter where you live.
Taskverse is an open platform that connects freelancers or taskers to the world's most disruptive companies. No matter where you are in the world, you can sign up, complete tasks, and get paid. Some examples of tasks that you can find on Taskverse are content moderation, AI data labeling, digital customer experience, so testing things out, recording speech, and transcribing audio. So lots of different options that really anyone can do. So basically, from what I understand, Taskverse is taking my audio and then they are using it to train like Amazon Alexa or Meta or all these different companies, all their voice activated products. There's definitely a need for this. It's a pretty easy way to make money, honestly. All right, so we're gonna get started with Taskverse here. I'm on my portal here, and it has this opportunity here where I can earn $35 with my voice. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that task. It tells you all the details of it. It's gonna take about an hour, it says. We're going to try to do it faster. You're going to record indoors in a quiet environment. So that's where I'm at. And then it says after it reviews my submission, it will approve it, and then I'll get paid by PayPal after that. So it's pretty awesome. So I'm going to agree and launch this task here. Has a little agreement. We're going to hit start. All right. So it looks like it's going to do a little survey on me to collect my information based on where I live. I live in an urban area, Michigan. Okay. So it's asking me a lot of different questions here, which is interesting. Okay. So now that I filled out that survey, it was just kind of collecting information about where I live, my socioeconomic status. Now I'm going to start recording. It's just going to give me different prompts to read, and I'm going to go ahead and read them. So let's see here. Let's get started. Look, Meta, answer call. So I'm going to submit that. All right. I'm just going to keep going and just pound these out and see how long it takes me. Look, Meta, ask Jennifer if she's bringing her daughter. Look, Meta, call mom on Facebook Messenger. There were 100 prompts total, each only taking about 3 to 5 seconds to record. Okay, Lorena, what's the weather right now? All right, I think I just finished my last one here, so I think I'm done. So that took me approximately 30 minutes exactly. That's including filling out the questionnaire before. So it took me half the amount of time they said it would. So let's close this recording here. All right, in review. So once that gets approved, I'll get paid. So that is pretty awesome. Let's read down here and see what it says. Oh yeah, that's just more of the guidelines. You read 100 sentences. It did have to be really quiet. If I even bumped the table or anything, it would have me re-record it. So it took a little bit of getting used to, but I probably could have read it a little bit faster. I didn't take any bathroom breaks or anything, but still, I just made $35 in about a half an hour. So that's a pretty good wage. If you are looking to, make some extra money and you have some time, even at night, I think Taskverse, so far I'm super impressed. So definitely want to check it out. Plus, in the future, when there's other tasks available, you'll be able to just log on and do those. So there's things like this that pop up all the time on Taskverse, but pretty straightforward, pretty basic. You can't really mess it up. So these are the kind of side hustles we like. They're easy. It's quick money. and anyone can do it. Be sure to click the link in our description if you're interested in trying Taskverse.
So let us know if you are going to try this side hustle. It's a little different than what we normally do around here, but we think it's a great opportunity for everyone.
Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.